Hello guys, hello everyone, good morning, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's me again, Angelita. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you my daily work. I'm going to decorate the wedding gown with the lace. So, I will show you how I decorate and how I run my whole day at work. So, let's start guys. So this is the lace that I'm going to decorate the wedding gown. This is the one that I'm going to use with the crystals. You see, with the crystals. So this one, you see how it look. Yes, that is. And I'm going to put around the wedding gown. You see, this is guys. Lace with the crystal works. See? So, join me how I decorate the wedding gown. How I work with the wedding gown. That is the wedding gown that I'm going to decorate. See? So, this one. So guys, I will start from the bottom, from down. I put the lace like this way and put the pin all over like this. Going to up. You see, like that. And going to up. Now I'm going to up. So, ayan na guys, nalagyan ko na ng decoration. Nakapin siya lahat muna. And then, by hand. Tahiin sa kamay. Yan, paikot. Yan, paikot sa side. Yan. Pababa doon sa kanyang tail. Yan, ito. Yan, pababa doon sa kanyang tail. Yan ang lock sa likod. Yan ang lock sa likod. Ayan. later ko nalalagyan sa side kasi tahiin ko muna yan ng by hand. Tahiin muna namin yan ng by hand. So, ganyan. Yan ang trabaho ko, guys.